You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Hello everybody, can you hear me? I'm just going to wait for the last couple of people to arrive and we'll get started with this live stream. Can everybody hear me? Cool, great. Okay, just wait a couple of minutes for the last couple of people to arrive and then we'll get started with the giveaway. Okay. Cool. Hi guys, I hope everybody's going extremely well. Welcome to my channel where we go through trading strategies that I find on YouTube and on the web, and we code them to find the good ones and debunk the bad ones. I hope everybody's going well today. Today I thought I'd do a bit of a giveaway which I announced on our Discord to give back to the wonderful community that everybody's been participating in. I'm just going to move this out of the way very quickly so we can just pull the slide up and I can see the chat on the side. Hi Traderbook, hi Vlad, Rafael, hi, Marco, hi. I hope you're all going extremely well. Hi Rick, how are you going? I hope everybody's going extremely well. Welcome to the giveaway. As I said, I'm not big YouTube streamer, sorry, so please bear with me if I do speak a bit too fast. Hi Vlad, how you going, mate? Yeah, so if I do speak too fast or things like that, just put it down in the comments below and I will try to speak a little bit clearer and slower. Great, okay. So, Dave. Hi guys, I hope you're all going well, it's great. Yep, so we started this community about 4 months ago for the passion of trading and coding after I've been trading for a while now and realized that I personally got a bit lost in trading because I didn't understand the indicators that I was using and all of that. Hi Steve, how you going, mate? Yeah, I didn't understand all of the indicators that I was using, so I decided to start understanding what was behind the code of the indicators, as personally I am a developer. And I sort of thought as everybody was at home, I'd start sharing the code on YouTube, and I never expected such a huge amount of people to come and follow me. We've now got 60,000 people on YouTube, 60,000 on Facebook, and around 1.4 thousand people on Discord. So I thought I'd do a bit of a give back to the community to thank you all, the mods and the community themselves. Thank you all for everything that you've been participating in and helping me with. So what I'll do is I'll go through the giveaway, what we're giving away. Because I have actually had quite a few participants, as you can say, supporters that are giving away quite a few goodies. And then I'll go through a couple of questions like, what is your favorite strategy, David? Which I'll look at the end and answer questions at the end. And we'll talk more about the community and things like that. Very quickly before I go a bit too far, I am just not a trading guru. I'm just a geek trying to decode the market and work out what's going on behind the code and the maths of all of these indicators. Like I said, debunk bad strategies to find the good ones. This is being streamed on Twitch and YouTube, so when I do connect to the Discord a bit later, be careful when you're, be aware when you're sharing your screens not to share information. Another last bit of information before I go ahead is that I'm in the countryside at the moment and there is quite a storm hitting the countryside. So if we do lose internet connection, it's not because I've run away with all the goodies, it's because I've lost internet. So let's hope that the wind calms down and we'll be able to get on with this stream. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi to everybody. Hi Steve, hi Jed up. Hi Adam, nice to see you Adam, how you going mate? Okay, right. Oh, so as I said, you can see above in the pinned comments, there's a link to enter the Discord. All you have to do is join the Discord, and you'll get entered into the giveaway at during the stream here. I'm going to go through what we're giving away. Just the Discord, is absolutely free. So just join, come and say hello to everybody, get involved, and you will be entered into this stream. You'll find the link above. I will share it again. If somebody could share the link for me, let me have a look. I can see if I can paste it here for you. There you go. No, that's not the right one. Let me paste the link for you very, very quickly again, just in case for anybody that hasn't got it. Invite people, and we copy that, and we'll paste that into the comments here, just for anybody that hasn't got the Discord link. There you go. What do I need to mute? Please mute. Don't spend. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, I need to mute the Discord. Just bear me 2 seconds. I'll mute that tab now. Okay, mute site. There you go. Right, okay, so I won't have the sound in the background now. Okay, that's great. So anybody who wants to join the Discord, the link's above now, so you can join in the fun of all these strategies that we're debugging and hopefully finding the good one. Okay, so what I did was I went away and contacted a lot of sites, and about 50% of them come back to me. I was asking them to purchase a license or to enter in the giveaway, and most of them actually come back and gave it all away for free, just to be part of the video in the community and say thank you as well. So I'd like to thank all of them. I'm going to go through all of the prizes that we're going to be giving away. So let's have a look at some of the prizes that we got. So as you can see here, we've got all the prizes. I'll just go through what they do because not everybody knows what they are, and then I'll spin this wonderful wheel here, and then we're going to add our names into a list where I'm going to be able to pick a winner for each of them. So it might take a little while because there's quite a few giveaways here. Okay. Hey, thanks, Vlad. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks, mate. Right, okay. So the first one, obviously, is going to be TradingView, which has partnered up with us to give us away 3 months of premium for free. Now, TradingView is our charting software that we use. We code on this to create our strategies. Most recent one was the one, which is our indicator where it's going to be an all-in-one indicator where you can build your own strategies. Now, thanks to TradingView, we get all of our charts here, and we can actually connect our alert systems to bots, which is our final desire, to connect everything to bots so we can stop looking at all these charts all day and just let our bots trade for us. Okay, so that was TradingView. TradingView have, like I said, given us away 3 months of premium for free. And then we have, in second slide, we have wunderbit.co. Wunderbit.co is a... sorry, just move this over slightly here so you can see a bit better. Right, okay, wunderbit.co is our middleman, which actually sits in between TradingView and your exchange and actually makes the order. So what happens is that TradingView, when your strategy comes up with a short entry or a long entry, it sends an alert to something like wunderbit, and they actually send it to the exchange to make that order. So it's something that we're giving away today. There's going to be 5 pro accounts for 1 month that they've kindly given us to one of us lucky winners here. So I'll be giving them away. Very good website. You need to go and have a look at that. Even we talk about it quite a lot on Discord. We go through how we connect it. I will be doing more videos about how to connect wunderbit. They've got an update today, so hopefully that will have sorted out a couple of the bugs that a couple of people have been experiencing. But yeah, great system. Right. Next one is 3commas.io, something slightly different to wunderbit. It is more of a DCA and a smart trading terminal. where you can set up bots inside their platform to DCA purchase and then take automatic profits. You can also set up wunderbit alerts with these, TradingView alerts directly to 3Commas, so that they will do exactly the same as wunderbit and things like that. But they've got actually their own system, which is for DCA and also DCAing and getting into, lost the line of thought there. Okay, yeah, they've got a DCA bot that actually buys as you dip and then also takes profit as the market goes back, just like it has been the last couple of days. So another great platform to have a look at. They've given us away one subscription for 2 months of Pro, which is cool. And then we have Cornix, something that we haven't actually looked a lot at inside of our Discord recently, but it does look a very promising platform. They've been giving us away 6 months of a Pro for one person. It's an automatic trading system, which is very much like wunderbit and 3Commas. But they use Telegram to set up bots, which makes things a lot easier because you can do it on your mobile phone and things like that. They also connect to Signal groups, which if anybody's part of a Signal group, you can actually directly connect that to Cornix and that will take the trades for you. So quite a powerful tool that we're going to be looking a lot more into on our community in the next couple of months, etc. So it does look like that their signals are one of the faster ones. So I definitely will be integrating myself and looking to see how they go in the future. And then we have the gold mines, for which I personally like, and that's the information products from people, from YouTubers. I think that power comes from information. Obviously, you don't want to have too much or you'll never get a trade, but these people here are going to be giving us monthly entries to their VIPs on Discord. So we have Jason Casper. Now, I did buy myself a Jason Casper hat, but I forgot to bring it up, so you'll have to wait for the next stream for that one. Jason Casper is giving us away a monthly Discord entrance to his Discord. And his signals, etc. So you can go in and see how he trades. He uses Market Cipher and is probably one of the best Market Cipher education platforms out there as far as I'm concerned. He goes through a lot of strategies, tests the strategies on Market Cipher. It's something that I thought when I bought Market Cipher was actually missing, was a lot of education. That's how I come across Jason Casper. A very nice bloke, and lots of information that helps you to understand. Like I said, most importantly is understanding what the indicators that you're using, and he seems to give a lot of information about that. So Jason Casper has given us away 1 month of Pro Discord, so thank you, Jason. And we have Kite Crypto, which is one of my absolute favorite YouTubers. Now, I know that his trading method isn't for everybody, but I do feel as though his YouTube streams are a goldmine of information and helps us to think outside of the box, which, as Trader Tom, I believe, says is very, very important, because you don't want to be trading like the 95% of people that are actually losing money. You want to be trading like the 5%. So you have to think outside of the box, and I think that Kite Crypto actually helps you to think outside of the box. He helps you to think less about win rates and more about risk to reward and things like that. And he has a great strategy, which is the ABC method, which we use inside the one, which is our strategy that we have inside Discord. Now, like I said, he's giving away access to 2 members to his VIP Discord, which is absolutely brilliant. I really do think that that's a goldmine of information as well, because he has a couple of videos about risk to reward and things like that. Okay, so there, of course, we have 5 subscriptions to this wonderful bloke, handsome fella there, only joking, DaviddTech. 5 subscriptions to DaviddTech that I'm giving away for free to 5 people. So that's, like I said, I'll go through what we have inside DaviddTech here. Okay, we now are about 1,400 members. As I said, there is a free tier, but with these subscriptions, you get access to all of our trading indicators. We chat daily about code, trading, algo trading, just trading strategies in general. I do twice a week streams where I go through the strategies and what we're building together. the whole idea of the community is actually we're building tools together to actually build our own strategies, and not actually just me pre-configuring a strategy and say, look, this one works, so go for it. No, we're trying to build tools so you can actually build your own strategies quite easily, back test them and optimize them, forward test them, and just get everything working in your way, because not everybody trades in the same way. Not everybody has the same risk to reward. Not everybody has the same want for risk and things like that. So everybody has a different kind of trading, and these tools will help you. So you have access to the strategies, you have access to the optimizer, which is this plugin up here, which helps you to optimize your trading strategies by changing all of the values inside the trading strategies and then giving you the best results. You can also download the backtesting results, and then we have what's being released this week, which is the watch list, which will backtest it on all of the coins in your watch list, so that you can see whether you're building a general strategy or just one that's more Bitcoin orientated, Ethereum orientated, or something like that. So that's a tool that you get access to inside. Also, we have the forward tester, which has been released this week, which I've named the Bot Wars, which is a competition platform for. It's not a real competition platform. What we do is I'm going to attach all of the strategies to this platform here. So that you'll be able to have a list of all of the strategies inside this leaderboard that we've actually built. They're going to run for month on month against each other on this competition platform to forward test on leverage, without leverage, and things like that, to see which ones are actually making money. And you'll be able to see it. This data is automatically taken from Binance and ByBit, so they'll be as if they're actually taking a real bid on the market. And you'll be able to see the history. So if I go to the David strategy here, you'll be able to see the whole history of where it's made money, etc. So it's quite important to forward test. Well, it's as important to forward test as it is to back test, because things don't always work out the same way in forward testing as they do in back testing. Everything in the strategy I try to do is no code, so you don't have to learn to code. But I am proud to say that a lot of people have started to learn to code thanks to these strategies. I will never share pre-configured settings, but I try to give you the tools, like I said, so that you have your future in your own hands, building strategies for yourselves. Our future, for me personally, is 100% bots. I want to be able to keep away from trading on the screen all day and be in front of charts. I want to be able to connect all of these strategies that I'm building to bots, so that the bots can actually trade for me. As I do believe that a problem with win rates and things like that is while you're asleep, there may be a trade that pops up and you miss it, and that completely changes the whole of the win rate and etc. There's also emotion in the markets and things like that, so when you're trading, so you have to be very careful. So I'm trying to put everything together so that we can trade 100% in bots. So it's been almost 4 months now where we've been debugging, going through repainting, which was a nightmare, leverage, looking at leverage, going through risk to reward calculators, forward testing, going through scripts that had 500, debunking scripts that had 400,000% win rates, not win rates, but net profit, and lots of late nights chatting with you all and coding and all of that. So it's been real fun so far. So thanks to everybody. One of my proud parts is when somebody comes to me and said, I've learned something. I've learned Pine script. I've learned something. And it's been a great venture. And it's only been 4 months. So hopefully it's going to continue that way. So what I thought is I'll answer a couple of questions, and then I will start adding everybody's name to the giveaway and start giving back to everybody. That's what everybody... Okay, so does anybody any questions? I love your channel. Thank you very much. I'm glad you like it. Nice. Amazon vouchers. I was going to give away Amazon vouchers, but unfortunately, the problem is that when we're in the UK or in Europe, the Amazon. Sorry about that. Yeah, the Amazon vouchers are unfortunately connected to the country where you are, so I couldn't give away Amazon vouchers. So it was something that I did try to look at, but not everybody lives in the UK, so I couldn't give away Amazon vouchers. Are you planning to open source any of your indicators like the ABC? Now, what I was planning on doing was open sourcing most things because I come from an open sourcing background. I come from an open sourcing background, and unfortunately, hello. I'm on live stream. Bye. Yes, sorry about that. Phone just rang. Yeah, so I'm trying to give away as much as possible in the live stream. In the open source Discord channel. There is quite a few indicators in there that I've added so far. I am trying to add more and more as we go along, but this has only been 4 months, so I'm trying to catch up and add as much as I possibly can into that Dropbox link. The dashboard I've decided to keep for the community because it's something that I... thanks, Adam. I saw that the phone rang just at the wrong time. Yeah, I am trying to... keep the dashboard for the community because it's something that gives us a bit of a unique opportunity to have that dashboard. But the rest I will be sharing as much as possible. Let me go through some of these. Have I had much success with the ABC strategy myself? Yes, I have. It's the only strategy that I've actually decided to continue trading. You do have to accept that you're going to be losing quite a few trades. I did think of doing a watch party, very much like Kite, which was a watch party of Trader Tom because he explains better win rates than myself. But yeah, I have had quite a lot of success. They certainly do make big profits when you look at some of these small stop losses. Here, this one's just an example. My stop loss, I normally put about 1%. And if you go to my Twitter, there's a couple of examples of the ABC patterns that I've taken recently. I'm not currently in any trade at the moment. I have do continue spot buying on Binance as the dip comes along with my DCA bots, but that's it so far. Do you like Movement 2B for scalping? Personally, I tested the green dot strategy and the wave green dot strategy. They did seem to give quite good results back, but it's not something that I trade personally by myself. Am I actively using bots for trading? Yes, I currently use, I have a full strategy of DCA bots, which I use through 3 commas. I started that around a month ago and they're quite successfully running by themselves. I've never touched them. The only thing that I have done is I turned off Shiba Inu because it dropped so much that it worried me, but that was the only thing that I ever did to it. I've actually left them completely. I have set up for the top 20 crypto on CoinMarketCap, set them up with the strategy which is in one of my videos. I did also optimize them using the strategy optimizer that I created. Thanks to another guy, I did a bit of an update on the script and made it work better for the way that I wanted to. And I have been using that. I also have been running quite for quite a long time the ultimate scalper, although the current market conditions wasn't great for it and I stopped it. The ABC I've been running on a bot for about a week, I think it is now, about a week. because it's a brand new strategy where it's not even called the ABC, it's the one, which is build your own strategies, which I used the ABC as the baseline, and I've been running that for a week and quite happy with the results so far. Like I said, I'm going to be connecting all of these bots to this trading competition platform, so you'll be able to see exactly how they get in and get out. You'll also be able to connect to my Telegram groups where you'll be able to see the exact entries that I get, so you can see the exact entries, so that you can see how it works, etc. It's not a signals group in the slightest, because they'll be too late by the time you get these signals, because the ABC strategy is so significant to small the stop loss, but it will show you whether they've worked or not, so you can set up your own ABC bots. Similar to Trade Alt's start, absolutely. Trade Alt is a fantastic channel for DCA bots. I started out with Trade Alt, and then I used a trading strategy optimizer that I built for DCA bots, and just literally changed the safety order sizes and things like that to make it better. Thanks for the question. Can you update us about your bots that have... Don't get that question. What's your best indicator for scalping? Now, I suggest that you have a look at the one and see if you can't build your own sort of strategy for scalping. Now, what I would do is I would go to the one and go, right, okay, this is the one here. I go, what I'm looking for is to be on a 5 to 15 minute time frame. So click 5 to 15 minute, and then I'd go onto the cog up here and go, right, I'm looking to take a stop loss of 2% and a take profit of 3%. And then what I'll do is I'll press OK there. Then I'll go to our plugin up the top here, and I'll do a backtest strategy. So what that does is that will randomly change inside the one, because as you can see inside the one, there is absolutely tons of indicators. Tons and tons and tons of indicators. Now, what it'll do is it'll go through all of those indicators and turn them on and off until it finds you a good profit strategy for scalping. So you build your own strategy, get your best results. You'll download a full Excel spreadsheet with all the results and how to set the strategy up. So you can set your own strategy up for scalping. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of scalping setups at the end of this week, hopefully. There is a couple that I have started. I've also started to add things like the DMARC, I think it is, count and things like that. So I'm adding indicators to it so that it'll make it even better every week. Okay. What about Forex pairs? Yep, Forex pairs. There's a couple of people that use it for Forex pairs and indices and things like that. They're using the ABC strategy. There is a couple of people that are sharing that on they're sharing it on Discord at the moment. So yeah, there's some of them work on it, some of them don't. Obviously, some of them work mainly on crypto. I personally got into crypto quite a long time ago, so that's why I've decided to continue trading crypto. But a lot of these strategies do work now on Forex. Is it possible to connect TradingView strategies to MT4, MT5 for automation? There is, I believe, a Python script that does that, but in the future we are going to be converting all of our strategies over to MT5 because we believe that it will be another way of doing things. Thank you for You Are a Legend. Thank you. Awesome. What's up? What's up, Mako? I want to join your... Can you pay with crypto? Yes, you can pay with crypto. It's in the FAQs, mate. No problem. How do you find the one? Right. Okay. Very quickly, I'll show... and I can't show you on Discord because it'll reveal everybody's usernames. Okay, so if you go to Discord and you go to the invite-only scripts, now what happened was I actually went through a time where I was having problems with TradingView, so I've decided to put them all into invite-only scripts. You go into the invite-only room and then you type / add user and then add your username for TradingView into that room, and that will invite you to all of the TradingView scripts that I've made, including the one. And you'll be able to find them just simply by clicking on indicators and you go to invite only scripts, and you'll find them in here. Just joined. Welcome, mate. Thank you for joining. Can I supply an indicator template? Yeah, sure, Adam. I'll send you something over that maybe rule around. Avoid painting. Okay, repainting. Repainting's a real problem. Unfortunately, it seems like it's a problem not only in TradingView, but quite a few. The problem with repainting is that it's not only multi-time frames that cause repainting. There's plenty of different problems. I mean, we went through quite a few problems with the every tick here that caused us problems. Yeah, I'll quite happily go through building a template with you, no problem whatsoever. To avoid repainting, I'd say keep away from multi-time frame indicators whilst you're learning at the beginning, and try to keep with anything that's on the same time frame, because it does always cause it always causes problems and causes repainting. Okay, I think updates on a high win rate strategy. Yep, like I said, you can start building your own strategy on the one, which is preferable because, like I said, it's the best way to go forward, I believe, is that you have your own strategy. I am going through a couple of strategies at the end of this week to that have a very high win rate. So if that's your kind of training, personally, I prefer myself a good risk to reward management with higher wins. But if you prefer high win rates, I totally understand, and we are working on things inside the community together to get a better win rate on some of the strategies, high win rate strategies. There are quite a few in there already. You just need to go through the settings, use the indicator strategy optimizer here, and you'll get even better results on all of them. It'll help you find the best one. Have you set up any bots or running on Connex or Alteron? We have started, I'm starting to release all of my strategies as indicators as of this week, because the problem with Alteron is that it's code which doesn't get accepted, unfortunately, by the... Here, if I go down, you can connect all of our strategies to 3 columns, Alteron, and all of that here. But unfortunately, the problem is that Alteron actually has code with new lines. So I've actually had to release all of these as indicators as well as strategies, so that we can use the alert area up here instead. So yeah, for Connex, I've, as I said, it's totally new to the community. I've signed up for an account this week, and I'm going to be back testing and trying it this week with the ABC strategy to see how well it works. Okay, let's have a look, see how many people are here. 84, cool. Nice to see everybody. Thanks for all joining me. It's nice to see everybody. How to use the optimizer for text fields on off. It's very simple. Text fields is by the commas that you have inside the Excel spreadsheet that you download. If it's multiple select, you just literally you leave the default settings that are in there, and it will select automatically the randomly or not so randomly the multiple selects, the select field. So for instance, if you want the optimizer to optimize wicks here, for instance, wicks close, you download the spreadsheet that goes with it, and it will automatically choose one or the other to optimize it. We're also working on this week a way of importing the horizontal values, which will be released anyway. It's already in waiting for Google to release that. And we're also adding a way of, instead of what it does at the moment, is it goes one by one through each of these to change it. So what I'm going to do is add it so that we can multiply change the values all in one go, which will go much quicker. It's very much more random, but who knows, you might actually just come across a fantastic trading strategy. Is there a possibility of sharing the source of the one? No, I'm afraid the one is the source. There's parts of it. There is parts of it because some of it is open script, source script. For instance, things like the indicators down here, all by one, the codes will be shared inside the Dropbox. The divergence importance indicator I shared already once before, which was what was it called? It was called the divergence indicator, the ultimate divergence indicator, which was an open source script anyway, so that one's shared. These parts here are obviously just open source indicators anyway. Things like the probability formula I won't share because that's something that's unique to the community. Like I said to all of the community members, there is a hidden Dropbox area, so if anything happens to me in the future, you will get all access to the, unfortunately, you will get all access directly to an email sent to you all directly with the code so that you don't just get lost, because the whole idea, like I said, is keeping your future in your own hands. So yeah. I won't be selling indicators individually because the whole idea is a community. I don't want to become a indicator salesperson that has to push forward the indicators and say, like, this one does this and this one does that, in win rates and things like that. I like to keep honest. We work together, so I won't be selling indicators one by one individually. No. Okay. Marco, if you're on the Discord, we can chat. And you can tell me what you need for the optimizer and I'll add it, no problem, for the text field. Michelle, hi, how you going? Thank you very much, Xavier. Done. Also use the ABC strategy. Will the bot automatically enter trades when I get stopped out? Yeah, so the idea of the indicator is the green lines and red lines. If you go above the green line and then get stopped out, the new green line, you'll get absolutely re-entered if you get stopped out. So yes, you can choose either to get entered by the wick or by the close. There's only one big difference there's a couple of slight differences to Kite's strategy. Kite has the ABC big moves here, as are the one actually will look for smaller ABCs inside a bigger ABC to make the stop loss even smaller. And the other thing is which is a kind of a disadvantage to working with bots. And that is, unfortunately, you can't enter with conditionals. You have to enter on the next close. So you actually get just slightly below that candle there. So that's a disadvantage to working with bots instead of with conditional orders in ByBit. So yeah, so you're a good dude. Thank you. Thank you very much, Lupa. That's very nice, yeah. Done, Xavier. Okay, so I guess the best thing is to get, could you do a demo of when you're adjusting the indicator? I mean, how to build the configuration piece by piece. Right, okay, yeah, sure. There is a live stream record where I go through everything from A to Z of the optimizer up here. So what I'll do is I'll install a strategy and then I'll run the optimizer on the fields that I want to optimize. For instance, if I wanted to build a better stop loss or a Fibonacci level, or maybe change the EMA levels, for example. You get an Excel spreadsheet that you download and then you can re-upload it to the optimizer here. And once that is configured, you just leave it to run overnight for maybe for 24, 48 hours. And what will happen is it will download a spreadsheet with all of the backtesting results from the backtester down the bottom here, and it will give you the best results. So you'll actually have a list of a couple of thousand backtests on the full year or whatever it is. and that way you can either choose the best backtesting results, or you can just automatically add the results. Will automatically, the AI inside the bot up the top here will actually find the best results, add that one. For instance, if you choose net profit or net profit as a percentage here, it will give you the best setup. Otherwise, you just download the spreadsheet and set it up yourself, or import it using this button here. You can import because it adds an import export button here, which allows you to download your settings and re-upload them, so you don't have to do it all manually. Now, the squeeze momentum indicator, I was about to do a video on. You can actually suggest inside the DaviddTech forum, that's an old word, the DaviddTech Discord, you can actually suggest a indicator for me to test, and I'll test them weekly, twice a week, twice to 3 times a week. And I am actually doing a video on the squeeze momentum indicator, yes. What is raid painting? Could you please explain, and why is it a problem? Okay, repainting is a big problem, especially in multi-time frame indicators. Now, let's take an example of, I don't know, an indicator that you go away and you buy, and it prints it'll print an arrow down here because it says, right, okay, it feels as though the market's going to reverse, so it'll print a lovely arrow here like that. Problem is that the market might start coming back down, and it will decide, right, okay, I'm going to delete that arrow because, well, the market's gone against us because the conditions are no longer met. Sorry. So the problem is with if you're a human being, you can sit there going, right, okay, I'll wait for the next candle to close, and I'll get in that after that arrow's printed and made sure that it has printed. The problem with robots is it may get in a bit too early, which causes problems. And the problem with multi-time frames is that you have a higher time frame, and if you've got a higher time frame on, for instance, something like 4 hours, and you're on a 1 hour chart, that little arrow that was printed there could actually be removed up to 4 hours later, so it could cause you to get into an entry. And the problem with TradingView is that as soon as you refresh that screen, it no longer has the tick data inside all of these bars, and it may no longer actually have at all your entry. So you never know that you're actually in an entry, except for when you go and visit the exchange, and then that's where that causes big problems. And that's something that we've been fighting against inside the community. We've had a couple of indicators, something like the simple scalper, which actually had quite bad repainting problems, but it's something that we've come across as we've been, like I said, we've been doing this for 4 months now. We've come across the problems, and we're hoping to find the solutions. Thank you for the great quality content. Thanks, mate. I'm glad you enjoy it. The quality, I don't know, but yes, I do my best. Most of my strategies tend to work on about the hour time frame. It depends. Like I said, you can sit on the ABC and use the optimizer and optimize it for a 4 hour. You can do it for I tested it on a video for 15 minutes, and it gave great results. So it all depends on where your stop loss is, where your take profit is, because you've got to remember each of these candles have got information in them. A smaller candle would be a smaller profit, take profit, and that's got to be this trading strategy that you decide you want to trade, and then you just use the tools to optimize it. Okay. What is the best strategy and exchange? I don't know, mate. The best strategy is your one that's adapted to yourself and your personal life and the way you want to have a risk to reward, etc. A bit of a global answer there, I guess. You have to use something like the tools that we give to build your own strategy, because everybody's got their own. When the market starts dipping and you feel bad because your stop loss is so huge and things like that, you've got to have you've got to have the gut to hold on to those trades. So something like the ABC has a very small stop loss, which I like personally, especially while we're on bots. Anything in the green, I don't consider a profit until the profit is actually hit over here. So something that I can set to myself. So you've just got to go through the strategies and go, right, okay, I feel as though I can accept a 2% loss, I can accept a 0.9% loss, and this strategy looks good for me. Everything's a bit personal, to be honest. Do you have a top 10 list? No, I do not have a top 10 list at the moment. Personally, like I said, I'm trading myself the ABC strategy on bots. The best strategy, the one that suits you personally. Yeah, the best strategy is the one, and you just go out, set up the strategy that you want inside the one. We're improving it all the time, adding things like the QQE that we added this week. We're also adding the whole suite this week and things like that. You just build your own strategy. I suggest, like I said, going in, putting in the stop loss and the take profit that you feel comfortable with, and then just optimizing it. Just leaving the optimizer to run until it finds you a strategy that you feel great with. Okay, I guess we could get over to the giveaway, which would be good. Right. Has everybody signed up for Discord over here? Right. So what I've got is I have a download Discord here. So it's going to download all of my Discord members. Don't really need the avatars. And we're going to start downloading them. I'll leave that on the side over there. Okay, cool. Okay, right. Now I'll download that there. Hopefully that will give me all of the names of everybody inside. Okay, I'll put that over there. So let me just make sure we have, no, that's given me 1,100 members. Just bear me a couple of seconds, guys. I won't be a couple of seconds. Sorry about this. I am admin, and that's it. I suppose we have to download all the avatars. Won't take too long, hopefully. Water break. Do you use leverage on your bots? Yes, I do. I personally do use ByBit. That's why we started using wunderbit, because it was the only one that worked with USDT and Bitcoin. So that's why we started using wunderbit on our strategies. Now there is other ones that are actually now adding USDT as a value that you can use on ByBit. So yeah, I do use leverage. I also use the calculator, which I suggest is here somewhere. I believe it is. Calculator. There we go. I use Kite's calculator and the winrate.io to test. It's very much just testing. It isn't perfect science or anything like that, but it just helps us to give an idea of how we can use leverage inside of all of our trades. Winrate.io takes complete random, fake in a way, trades in the future, which is impossible to predict using your win rate and your take profits and your stop loss. For instance, I can't remember what they are. I mean, sometimes we were using top 20 and we were at 0.9, and sometimes we were only on like a 25 win rate. And then we put our leverage in here, and then we just click ByBit, which sets up the commissions, and then we press Run Strategy, and it gives us an estimation of how much we could earn. Now, I never ever take that in concrete. All I do is go, right, okay, I'm going to hit the run strategy 100 times, 50 times, and I make sure it always stays in the green, which means that for me, that leverage will hopefully not liquidate my account. Well, I never ever put enough of my account in to liquidate it anyway, but you know what I mean, and I always use stop losses. And then I use this here, which is Kite's risk reward calculator, to help me to find a good leverage as well. So I use those two tools to work out leverage. I also have on all of my indicators, this needs refreshing. I have the Kelly ratio, which helps me to work out how much I want to use of my account. for each of my trades, which is down here, which is obviously 0.3, which means I think this one may be a dud strategy that I haven't set up myself, but that means that I could use 0.3 of my account, I believe. So yeah, so that's how I would go about using leverage and working out my margin in each of my trades. Okay, right, has that downloaded all of our wonderful members here? Let's have a look. Okay, that's downloaded 2 spreadsheets this time. Let's see if I click here. Can't find the spreadsheet. There it is. Okay. Move this over here very quickly out of sight's way. And then we go right. 101 again. And this one here, over here. Let's have a look. There we go. Right, I have all of the members here. Right. So let me put the entrance here. 1,434 members. Winners. Okay. So we have the Wheel of Fortune here. Can we use other strategies other than mine for using the optimizer? Yeah, absolutely. It's there for everybody. If possible, share the results on the Discord so that everybody can profit from the results. I mean, it's a community, we're working together. But yeah, use it on any indicator. Absolutely any indicator. Okay, I guess time has come to press the button on the wheel. Let me shut all of these so that the window doesn't explode on me here. Putting a bit of pressure on my computer here. Okay. Right. I can't see the chat screen anymore. There we go. Right. Here we go. So I'm going to press the spin wheel here. DaviddTech. Oh. Right. Okay. Let's go for the winners here. Right. If Vlad is here, would you kindly write down for me? Hold on, I'll just send Vlad a message. Would you kindly write down the winners and the giveaways for me and what they've won so that I have. Okay, let me press start and it's going to click the settings here. We want one winner and we're going to press confirm and we have our first winner. Caffeine, congratulations, you're now a winner, part of the community. I don't know if you're actually online, but yeah, you're now a winner of the DaviddTech, so you have lifetime access to our indicators in our community. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, right, I need to go back, and we'll do a second one very quickly. All right, here we go. I need a drum roll for this. There's a lot of presents as well to go through. What is that? TradingView. Okay, so we have our TradingView. It's rigged. Okay, thanks. Okay, right. I need to paste them in there. Oh, of course it didn't paste. Oh no. Oh well, I have to go and find the spreadsheet again. Sorry about this. Won't be 2 seconds. I should have put some music in the background, shouldn't I? Right. I knew this was going to happen. Is this the one? Okay, sorry about this. I won't be a couple of seconds. Let me copy and paste. That's 1001. Right, so it's this file here with all the usernames in it. Of course, I closed the Excel spreadsheet. Right, so we have our usernames here. There we go. And this is for the TradingView subscription. Thanks to TradingView, winner, TradingView. Oh, we'll just write trading. Anyway, let's go. Right, let's press that start button and off we go. And I need to press the settings for one winner. Okay, let's confirm. Start. Monsieur. Okay, congratulations to you. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Congratulations to you. So you have won TradingView access for 1 month. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. So that's this prize here. Congratulations. That's actually 3 months. Silly me. Right. Okay. Next prize. Okay. Off we go. wunderbit. Okay. You have access to wunderbit, which is 5.1 Pro. So you have one account for free for a month on their Pro. Right. Let me go back here and copy and paste all of that again. Okay. Now, the problem was that I had too many entries to use some of these wheels, so I had to do this manually each time. I'm just going to write winner. And there we go. Start. And we're going to press settings again. Sorry about this, guys. Okay. Confirm. And start. Serious. Dorcas, I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Congratulations, you've won access to wunderbit. Great, so that's brilliant. That's 1 month's access. Now, maybe what I should do is press this again and just keep going for a bit, I guess, and then I'll ask any answer any questions as we go along. Right, okay, let's spin that wheel again. I know you're all extremely excited here. Copy what we want. 3 commas access. Okay. Right, let's go back. Wish there was an easier way of doing this. Okay, winner. There we go. Okay, let's start. And we're going to press settings. And we're going to press. There we go. Off we go again. Start. 2, 1. Rudy. Congratulations. You have won access to 3 commas. So the access to 3 commas is for 2 months of Pro. Congratulations to you. Great tool. It's well worth having a look, and congratulations. If you'll contact me via, well, actually I'll be contacting you, so you can contact me via the Discord, and then that way I'll give you access to all of the prizes. Okay, we'll move on. Congratulations. Right. Back button. Off we go again. DaviddTech. God, lucky. Okay, off we go again. Winner. Off we go. Settings. I really hope that you'll win. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really should have put some music on, you know. 1 right. Congratulations. You're a winner. You've won lifetime access to DaviddTech. If they don't claim, I'll take them. Okay, Adam, no problem whatsoever, mate. Dear. Okay, right. Next one. Here we go. Kite Crypto, here we go. I know you all want this one. Right, okay. Off I go. I know I'm going to end up with an ad blocker or something that stops me from using this tool in a minute. But anyway, right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, this isn't right. I have to wait. Yeah. Off we go. Confirm. Start. Off we go. 5, 4. I'm going to have some water. Ziriel. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Congratulations. You've won access to Kite Crypto's VIP channel on Discord. Great present. I hope you enjoy it. It's well worth it. It's a great channel. Lots of great people on it. So, next one. Okay, let's have a look at some of these questions. I hope to win. Yeah, I hope you all win, guys. It's nice to hijack Sparrow. Hi. Nice to see you. Don't spam the forum, please, mate. Okay. Right. I hope I had a laptop to be a programmer. Yeah, programming is definitely a skill that is worth learning. If you can learn to program, it certainly is a way of understanding markets, understanding lots of things in life. And also automation, everything's automated, which makes life so much easier. Okay, let's go. DaviddTech, wow, lucky. Right, off we go again. Oh, I have to put the names in. I should have done that first. Right. And the winner is... Here we go, downwards. Right. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Truman. Okay, congratulations. I'm glad that you won. Okay, so you have now access to DaviddTech. DaviddTech, sorry, somebody was just asking a question. You have access to DaviddTech for a lifetime access to all of our indicators, etc. Congratulations to you, mate. Well done. Okay, the next one. Maybe if anybody has any questions, I'll quite happily answer them, but whilst I'm copying and pasting names. Let's... funny to watch indeed, yeah. Okay, let's go on. Another wunderbit access, right, okay. I'm going to go over here and refresh and add the names. Winner, off we go. There is an import from file, I didn't realise, okay. Oh well, too late now. Right, let's confirm. Two, one. Ash Schmidt, hey, congratulations to you. Well done. You have won access to wunderbit for a month. So that's great. Well done. You have pro access. Like I said, I'll contact you via Discord and I'll give you access. All I have to do is give you a promotion code and you'll be able to get access for a month. Cool. Right, next one. We're going through these quite quickly. This is cool. Right. How to qualify for the giveaway, you just have to be part of the Discord. And we have the Discord members. I'll update the list before I do the last couple of prizes. Thanks, Vlad. Cheers, mate. Okay. I love your strategies. Thank you very much. Do you have any chance a video on showing how to install the one strategy and connect it to 3commas? I do have I go on live stream once a week where we go through the getting started. I also have a video which is in the live stream records, but I'm happy to help anybody over the chat if you want help installing wunderbit. Sorry, was it 3commas? Installing 3commas with the strategies, no problem. Yep, good luck. Right, here we go. Wunderbit. Let's go. Okay. Nope, it wasn't that. It was this one here. Okay, off we go. Winner. Okay, let's go. Settings, one winner. Off we go. Waldy, congratulations. You have won access to wunderbit. That's great. So you've got a month of wunderbit, which is this one here, which helps you to automate crypto. It's a trading platform for automating your crypto. Yeah, so you can set up your alerts. Great, great platform. Like I said, they've recently updated it, so hopefully it's ironed out a couple of the problems that we had a bit earlier in the month. But yeah, it's a good program for automating all of your strategies and great way. It's very, very simple for setting up bots. So yeah, congratulations to you. Okay, next one. wunderbit. They did have more chance of. Okay, off we go. Right, there was 5 entries for wunderbit, so yeah. Okay, right, let's add that there. Let me go winners, and there we go. Make me laugh is the username still in there, so if username wins. Right, off we go. Start. Took CB. Yeah, hopefully I've pronounced it correctly. I apologise. Yeah, so congratulations. You've won access also to wunderbit. Congratulations, mate. Let's keep going. Kite Crypto. Right, here we go. Access to Kite Crypto's VIP Discord. So let's press back on here again. Winner. And off we go. Congratulations. Right. Technotron, congratulations! You have won access to Kite Crypto. Congratulations, mate. It's well worth it. I hope you enjoy it. Here's a mine of information. Like I said, great for helping you think outside the box whilst trading. So congratulations to you. Okay, we're getting closer and closer to the end. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries. I suppose. Yep. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to refresh that. Oops, right. wunderbit, okay. Access to wunderbit. Right, that I need to press back. And then we're going to enter everybody again. There we go. Winners. And start. And if we go for the settings. Confirm. 5, 4. Wait, 795 rich catch 719. Congratulations, you have won access to wunderbit. Congratulations to you. So you can start building your bots and now connect them to your exchange thanks to wunderbit. So that's great. Congratulations to you. Okay, let's continue going on with this here. Right, where were we? We were over here. We have 4 left. Connix. The last one, give it away in the chat. How would I do that? Okay, Connix. Okay, Connix. Let's add the... I'm not sure how you would add it in the chat, but winner. Yep, okay, right. Let's go and set up this one. Off we go. So I was just thinking about how I could give away inside the chat. I don't know if there's a system. NNFXCFS. Congratulations. You've just won access to Connix. Okay, so if you find it a great platform, why don't come into the community and tell us all about it, because something like I said that we're actually looking at the moment. So congratulations, you have access to that. Let me just bring up the page so you can see. You have 6 months of pro, so that's a fantastic opportunity to set up your bots with the Telegram. So it's cool. Congratulations to you. Yeah, yeah, I understand it's the people watching the video. I'd love to, but how do you get a XML? Let me have a very quick look very quickly to see if I can find a way of exporting users that are online here. Participants. Okay. There are the participants there. Let me have a look. Okay, let me have a look. We have participants. If you're watching the video, if you type hi in the chat, I'll try and add you to the next one. That way everybody is inside the participants. Yeah. I'll just wait a couple of seconds. I think that it will just type something, anything, where you're from, for example. There you go, anything that hopefully will add you to our participants, and then I will add it for the next 3 prizes. Cool. I'll just give it a couple of seconds. I'll just scroll up to see if there's any other congratulations, any congrats, DaviddTech. Okay, let me have a look at the participants to see if it's... There you go, that's better. Right, okay. Let me try and export all of these very quickly into an sort of like a... I have to... Excel spreadsheet very quickly. New. Okay, let me try and export all of these into Excel or something like that. There we go. Right, let's see whether that works on here. I'll probably explode my computer or something like that. Right, let's try and enter everybody that's inside. Winners, YT. There we go, wonderful. Right, we have 40 participants now. Right, let's give this a go. Okay, so at least I didn't... Right, you're going to be entering for... the Jason Caspar VIP membership. Okay, let's go here. We're going to move that, and it's the 40 participants that have participated in the chat. A good idea for the person that gave me that. Yeah. Constant those. Right, yeah, you won. Well done. Congratulations. I have no idea how to pronounce your name. I was see English guy ever so sorry. But there you go. You have won access to Jason Caspar. If you contact me via the Discord, I will give you access. No problem whatsoever. Right. Okay. I will update that list very quickly, and we'll give the last 2 away. Ever so sorry about the name. Just bear me 2 seconds. Right, let me paste that there like that. Right, and we'll go again. Congratulations to you. Thank you. Yeah, well, no problem. Yeah, sorry about that. Right, here we go again. Anything outside of David, I'm useless at reading. Okay, much better coder. Right, off we go again. Winners. I think this is the last 2. There we go. Oh, DaviddTech. Well, there you go. There we go. What we'll do is it's going to be DaviddTech. Congratulations. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a prize on the next... what we do is we'll add a couple of winners. We'll add 4 winners. There we go. 4 more winners. And off we go. Confirm. And start. Off we go. That's going to pick us out 4 winners and a 5th winner because it already had the 5th one. There you go. Okay, so Jason, Lex, oh no. Yeah, there you go. There's all your name, Austin. Everybody's in there. Congratulations to everybody. I don't want to screw up people's names, so it's on the screen. Congratulations to you for winning. So that's all 5 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've won access to DaviddTech's indicators for the rest of time. Okay. So congratulations to you. I'll leave it on the screen for a couple of seconds so that what I do is either contact me or Vlad Vladislav on our Discord, and we'll give you access to our indicators. Congratulations to you all. And for anybody who didn't win, we are going to, as you know, most of you know, we do monthly competitions on the, I'll just put up here, just bear me a couple of seconds. For anybody who didn't win, we do monthly competitions on the Discord where we do USDT prizes, so you can win those every month. Vladimir also is going to be doing a competition once a week for access to things like TradingView, etc. So just come along and chat with us, and you can get automatically entered for any prize. So yeah, congratulations to everybody that's won. I'll just go through any questions. Good fun. Cheers, David. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Sorry, it was a bit of a mess. Congrats to all the winners. Yes, congratulations to you. Should I use the optimizer on the futures? Yeah. Future, we'll have to come in and chat with us, and I'll see how we can work it out to work with that. Congratulations to all. Yep, congratulations to everybody. It's been a laugh. I don't know if I had anything else that I really wanted to, any questions, and then I'll just go through very quickly what I've worked on this week so that everybody can see what the updates are going to be, and then I will leave you to get on with your day. Okay, right. Happy birthday. Thank you very much, Wayne. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Right, okay, so if anybody's got any questions, what I'm going to do is I'll go through very quickly the updates of the week for all of the Discord members and all of that. This is something that I do weekly on a live stream. It helps you to know what's going on in behind the scenes, how I'm producing new tools, etc. So first thing is the optimizer improvements that we've released to Google. Import horizontally, because you have about, sometimes you end up with 5,000, 6,000 results using the optimizer. The optimizer gives you a sheet of its preferred method, but maybe you go through those 5,000 and find one that's got a less of a drawdown or something that you prefer. So you just delete the 4,999 rows, leave that row that you want to import, and then you'd use this here, this button here, and you'll be able to import it. So that's something that's been developed. Currently you can only import the sheets that are vertically. Sorry, I need to have a drink. I apologize. Yep. Talking too much. Yeah, so anyway, so currently you can only import the vertical results that come down, so that's the best strategy chosen by the bot. But now, this week, you'll be able to import any of the 5,000 or however many X number of results that you find. So you just choose one out of it, delete the other ones, and import them, which is a great time saver because it means you'll be able to go into the backtester and see how it actually works. You get the curve, you get also the drawdown and all of that kind of information. So that's something that we've been working on. There is a live stream on how to use the optimizer inside the Discord. We also have the wish list, which is a fantastically powerful tool, which is this here. Wish list. So for instance, if you found a strategy that's on 1% the stop loss and 10% take profit, and it's something that's got a great win rate and everything on BTC or Ethereum, and you wanted to test it on all of the wish lists to make a Excel spreadsheet, it will automatically go through all of these and download the backtesting results and create one sheet for you. Or the other thing is that it will do is it will actually go through the wish list of 100 coins or whatever you've got inside the wish list, and it will automatically optimize each strategy for each of the coins to get you the best results for every single coin. So that's a very powerful tool. You also have a list here of each and every strategy so you can export them one by one. So a great new tool that we've added to the optimizer. So that was the optimizer very quickly. As I said earlier, I've been working on something called the Bot Wars, which is going to be a plug-in, sort of like a fake exchange, so we can forward test a paper account we can forward test all of our strategies and we run them against each other so that we can see which ones are actually profitable with a full table of trades. Like I said earlier, it's got all of the trades. It tells you exactly how many it's got in, how many it's got out, what the profit was in USD and also in the crypto value, so that we can actually work out which is extremely important to forward test all of the strategies. And this will just help you to get the results that you need. It will help you to find the best strategy in forward testing. So you have your back testing and now you have your forward testing without having to spend any money whatsoever. Okay, so that's going to be launched at the end of this week. That's what I've been working on. Included in the one, I have the whole suite and the SSL hybrid and the the high and low channels. Those are our baselines. So the idea is instead of using the ABC pattern or a moving average, we can use something like the whole suite to find the trend direction, and then we could use something like, I don't know, the MACD crossover or something like that inside the whole suite to find our entries. So the idea is we have a baseline, and then we have our confluence with the crossovers or divergences, etc. So we have those will be added for the end of this week. I've also added the QE, the wunderbit, the supertrend line, which I didn't add last week. I thought I was going to add it, but unfortunately it made something bug, but now it's working fine. So, and I've also got the DMARC count, which is this week's Friday's, I believe, video, because it's something that somebody suggested in the community, the DMARC count. And what I've done is I also heard about it. Well, I've heard about it for a long time. I've known about it for a long time, but never tested it. But Tom Trader talks about one of his friends that earned a decent amount of money on that, and it also puts in question the high win rate and the risk to reward once again, because I like to question that kind of strategy. These strategies, they all will have a smoothed higher high and lower low for our stop loss, which was a suggestion by Adam. Thank you, Adam, very much. So that will be added to all of our indicators. All of the indicators will now be indicators and strategies, so that you can collect them easier to later on, which I've spelt incorrectly, but it doesn't make a difference anyway. I've also fixed the bug which was suggested by Danny Mandani, I think it was. Danny, I believe, I'm not sure, fixed the close bug that we had on one of the very old strategies that I built. That's been fixed. So we've had quite a lot of work on over the weekend, so that's added. As always, I personally have been testing and forward testing the one before I start a challenge account, which I'm going to be connecting to a bot, which will also signal on Telegram. Like I said, it's not a signals group, it's just a way of in a way proving that it works or not in front of everybody, because it's something that's important to me to be as transparent as possible. I've put a certain amount of money onto a ByBit account, which will be transparent, which you'll see it go up and down thanks to the Telegram bot. I won't be touching it at all. It will be 110% run by bots, so 110%. Okay, yeah, 110% will be run by bots and fixed so that you can see transparently how the account's going, etc. It may lose the money, it may win the money, but like I said, most important is to be transparent. And I'm looking for a high win rate scalper strategy using the one, which I would also connect to a bot and keep as transparent as possible. Okay, here we go again. Right, next slide. And that was about it. I don't know how long we've been on here for. It's been a while. I hope that everybody enjoyed the stream. It's my first one. I've got to say that I'm not used to streaming. I am a geek in his... normally the only person I ever talk to is my code. So I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thanks, a really humongous thank you to the community. You mean so much to my day, every day, talking to everybody and... fighting this problem of the markets and finding a solution together. Together we will build something that will beat the boys at their own game. And I think together is, as a bigger number of people, we are much stronger. So I look forward to many late nights chatting and coding with everybody. Thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, I'll answer them very quickly before I leave you to your day. Thanks, David. It was fun. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I hope that it wasn't too much of a mishy-mash. But any tips for overfitting? Now, overfitting is a big problem. That's one of the reasons that I decided to build the forward testing platform so that people can forward test and fight battle kind of these bots against each other to see whether they're overfitted. It's a problem. It's a problem we've discussed slightly on the Discord. It's something that we could discuss more in a live stream if you like. It's something that all bots face. So we need to discuss it together. Yeah, without a doubt. Have you tried Pine Connector? I haven't tried Pine Connector. I've heard about it, but I haven't tried it. Awesome stream. Cheers, David. Glad you enjoyed it, Adam. Thank you for everything that you do for the community. You're a superstar. You, Steve, Adav, Vlad, you're all amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you very much. How did you get such great hair? I don't know. Thank you very much. Oh dear. Made me laugh. That was fun. Overfitting, Pine Connector. Which bot system are you planning to use? I'm going to give Cornix a go. We've given Wunderbit a go. Wunderbit have an update recently, so I'm going to test their update. I also plan to build a Python open source script, which I will give to everybody inside the community for connecting to ByBit and maybe Binance or things like that, just to avoid any wait times between entries. That'd be something that we could build together in the long run. So I'm going to give Cornix a go this week. I use Wunderbit currently at the moment, and 3 commas, which is for my DCA in. Happy birthday, David. Thank you very much. Is Shiba coins a good investment? I'm not that kind of... happy birthday, young man. Thank you very much. Feeling younger every day. I'm stuck. Okay. Thank you for all the birthday messages. That's very, very nice of you all. Happy birthday, David. Happy birthday. It's very nice of you. Happy 50th. Thank you very much. Oh, this YouTube career is not good for my complexion. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. Thank you for your amazing community. I am having so much fun building these things with you. Hopefully, in the near future, we'll build a fantastic strategy together which will dominate the market. Okay, have a great day. I will see you... what day is it? Well, I'll see you on Friday. Well, I'll see you tomorrow or Thursday. No, Thursday. I'll see you on Thursday on the live stream inside our Discord. And I'll see you on Friday on YouTube. Have a good day to everybody. Keep safe, keep coding. See you very soon. Goodbye. I accept your apology, Steve. Bye now. Take care.